Hi guys, welcome back to the train layout. Today I have a very exciting video for you all. I'm going to show you all my current and future Athearn Amtrak p42 projects. And you're going to do some of these projects with me. So let's get started. Alrighty, as you can see here, this is my newest edition, my HO Athearn Amtrak p40. I got this engine for roughly half of what it goes for nowadays. The reason it was so cheap is because it was missing a lot of parts to it. But that's where this purchase comes in. It's a Athearn Blue Box p42. And oddly enough, I just bought this for very cheap just for these parts over here that I can give to this engine. So these parts from this dummy locomotive will also be used to fix my #1 engine, and I'm not talking about Thomas. Okay, now let's do the couplers. Next and last part for this locomotive are the step ladders. My favorite part. Okay, so 817 is basically done. All it really needs is a decoder. It already has the lights, but now that I put all the detail on, it feels very complete. So my #1 is going to be a dummy for the time being. But since I have all these pieces to assemble it, why not have it run the rails too? Now I'm going to remove the truck detail off of the dummy. It's going to be for my #1. Okay, so I attached all the chassis detail, the trucks, the frames, the plow assembly, etc. Now all it needs is the shell and extra step ladders. And speaking of which, with all the p42s I ever bought, all the ladders would fall off, but what's cool is you can get a set of 8 from eBay. These are what the ladders look like. And it's the last thing that needs to go on number 1. So being you get a set of 8 of these, you can actually fix 2 p42 engines. So I finished number 1, and like I said, it's going to be a dummy for the time being. But if I want to motorize it, it's just going to be very easy. I'm just going to obtain a drive system, put it inside, get a motherboard, get lights, DCC. The only thing or things the engine is missing is both its side windows and its PTC antenna. Here is my birthday slash zombie locomotive. The reason it's my birthday locomotive is because I was born on the 28th of September. And it's a zombie because I grabbed a drive from a diesel engine and put it into this engine, and it actually works fine. It just runs slow. I'll show you the insides. So as you can see, this is a different drive than the traditional dog bones like these that are found in the p42 models. And it works just as well, like I said before. Right now I have a Athearn Genesis motherboard in it. And what's great about this one, it actually works great with LED lights. But guess what? You don't need to buy the Athearn brand ones. I bought a 10-pack of UXL lights, or UXL, or however you want to pronounce it. Hooked them up, and they work very good. Here's forward, and here is the rear. Pretty cool, huh? I know in real life they wouldn't line it up like this, but it's just how I wired them. So to close, 817 is fully detailed. It just needs a decoder. And my number 1, as you just saw, is a dummy. So basically that Athearn Blue Box p42 helped me fix these 2 locomotives. And I'm very proud of that. I'll see you in the next video.